Alicia Bade, Afril Bernardino, and Luna Ozar. And for our Titans, with a 2-1 record, Snow Peñaranda, Hazel Yam, Ana Alicia Castillo, and Mary Joy Galicia. Our champion for the shootout contest. And for our match officials, we have Edith Bitacario and Faye Veras. And first possession goes to the Titans, however, wasn't able to control the ball. Ball goes to the Lady Macbeth Riots now. First point for the Lady Macbeth Riots. Galicia now with the ball. Yam. And a good one for Yam. Ozar now against Castillo. Bernardino wasn't able to make it. Stolen by Bade. Bade gives to Ozar. Ozar on her own there. Wasn't able to make it. Castillo now. No two. Bernardino to Ozar. No two as well. Galicia. Bernardino to Bade. Still couldn't make that 2-point shot.
Hana, take note na itong Titans. They are depleted kasi wala si Camille Claro who has been shooting the lights out. So, medyo kulang sila no sa kanilang reinforcements.
But again, so as we've said, Camille Claro, even though she's not there for the team, Kate Castillo can step up for them. Kate Castillo, our champion for the shootout contest.
Yeah, Hana,
For this.
kailangan ng extra effort or kailangan mag-step up palalo nito ni Castillo. Because kanina, dalawa sila yung tumitira from outside. Ngayon, yung most of the offensive production sa kanya naman gagaling. So, or siya yung aasahan rather.
And here we go. Kate Castillo. Her first two for this game. Bade to Ozar. Gets it. Score is 2-4 in favor of the Titans. Hazel Yam for 2 and scores. Now, Titans with a lead of 4. Peñaranda coming in for Castillo. Nolasco coming in for Bernardino. Ozar was called for a travel. Ozar, who also scored 6 points alongside with Bade for their game against the Uratex Dream. A close game. Played a great game also. Ozar to Nolasco. Nolasco to Bade. Bade for 2. And it's a yes for them. Castillo answers no. Ozar to Nolasco. Nolasco hesitates, looks for Bade for 2. Still a no for them. Castillo for 2. Can she make it this time? And yes! Castillo with now has 4 points and an answer again from Nolasco.
What a game we have, no? Just answering buckets. And speaking of buckets, it's good for Peñaranda. Both teams just answering each other no, with their own 2-pointers, with their own buckets. As you can see in the replay, it is Peñaranda on that bucket.
And we have Peñaranda making that free throw. Afril now inside. Substituting for Bade. Afril wasn't able to make that shot. Nolasco now. And it's a go-go. Nolasco with now 4 points.
And that was nothing but nylon, no, for Nolasco. Again, a lot of capable shooters, both of these teams. For me, shooting talaga ang magiging labanan ng team na to, no?
It's good that Nolasco also gets to have this exposure. Even though she's still playing for her high school team, we can see that eventually may makukuha siya dito. And with a buzzer beater again for Nolasco. 6 points now, making that lead to only 1 point. And again, whoever wins in this game would advance to our championship game later. And for our next game, next semis game, we have My Philippines and Uratex Dream.
Yes, Hannah, no, and itong team, both of these teams, none of them are really going on to a consistent run pa, no? Both teams hanggang ngayon nagkakapaan pa rin. I think it's just because of the great defense na pinapakita ng parehas at great offense din na pinapakita, no? Na they're just answering back each other. Pero tinan natin kung may makakahanap ng rhythm sa kanila anytime soon.
And mahaba-haba pa nga ang oras para dito sa larong ito. So, and now, the game is tied by the Lady Macbeth Riots. 11 all for both teams. Hazel Yam now drives, loses the ball, was able to pick up by Bade. Bade now gets a foul.
Ito si Bader, no? She was awarded the best, the Eurotex Matibay player of the game no last outing nila. So, isa rin siya sa mga pwede talaga asahan.
Alongside with Ozar. With Luna Ozar.
Ay, dalawa sila.
The 6 points.
Ang dalawa sila ang na-award na ng Eurotex Matibay player. Si Azar noong unang game and then si Alicia Bade after niya. So, dalawang pwede magpasiklab sa koponan na to. Let's see kung ano magiging result.
And we can see here Snow Peñaranda all alone but wasn't able to convert that one. Bernardino coming in for Nolasco for Bade. It's the Titans ball now. Hazel Yam with the ball. One-on-one was given. Shot clock ended. Galicia was able to get that and still makes it. Nolasco now, 4-2. Wasn't able to get it. Ozar now. However, stepping on the outside line.
Yeah, miscommunication that time. No? Parehas silang nag-try na i-save yung bola at ending. Parehas din sila ang pumunta out of bounds.
Galicia passes it to Kate Castillo. Peñaranda wasn't able to get a foul there. Ozar now passes it to Bade for 2. Great rebound there and put back. Great rebound and shot by Bernardino. Castillo now, 13 all for both teams. Peñaranda a fake. Wasn't able to get it against Bernardino. And Bernardino fouled Peñaranda. Peñaranda will go to the free throw line.
Yeah, Afrel was no match for Peñaranda's size. No, nagkaroon ng size mismatch that time. And Afrel had no choice but to foul as big as someone like Peñaranda.
Bernardino now looking for a shot. Drives, get a score, an and one. However, it wasn't counted as per our referee. Nauna ang call doon. but can still make a chance. Still can make a chance with under 4 minutes left for this ball game. Luna Ozar all alone, wasn't able to get that. Bernardino again getting that shot. Hazel Yam now against Bernardino. No foul was called. Kate Castillo with the ball now. Castillo drives to the basket and it's a go. Lady Titans now tying the score with Lady Macbeth all alone. Luna Ozar.
And she slips out, no? For that traveling violation, I believe so. So yun lang, nadulas. May madulas na part ng court.
And mukhang may madulas nga. By Galicia.
Yeah, we can see it, no? Tinuturo nila, no? Because it's really important. It will really affect the game. Kasi again, kita natin, no? Yun, no? Pag may madulas talaga, it can cause turnovers na hindi naman sinasadya or unforeseen turnovers. And it can affect the outcome of the ball game. Lalo na to, semis to. We have a deadlock at 14. And it's very crucial na ayusin nila ang court environment para makapaglaro na maayos ang parehas na kapunan.
And I think they already cleaned it. Bernardino with a save. Hazel Yam now. Hazel Yam drives. Gets a foul by Bade. Hazel Yam, the free throw line. Bade. For a two-point shot. No, a rebound by Bernardino. Great effort. An answer by Castillo. And another 2 points for Castillo. Nolasco. Nolasco. Looking for Bernardino with a cut. Wasn't able to get it.
Ganda nung shift of speed to ni Nolasco. However, si Bernardino, no, she was able to catch the pass of Nolasco. That could have been a great play as they trail by 1 against the Titans.
Hazel Yam for 2. Gets it. Now Titans takes the lead with 3. Bade. Bade against Yam. Bade passes it to Nolasco. And was called a traveling.
Yun to, naging intense na yung game, no? Nakita natin si Nolasco. Nagmamadali talaga siya. And then again, kaya nagmamadali ka, di mo napapansin na you lose your footing and you get a traveling violation.
And an end one there for Peñaranda. 19-15. But so also, we have to take in mind that when playing 3x3, even though you have 2 minutes and 19 seconds remaining for the ball game, nasa 19 mark naman. Well, make that 20, meaning 1 point left for the Titans to win this game. And outside, I think Bernardino was able to step on the line there. Yam for the win. And they go to the championship. Titans now with 21, beating Lady Macbeth with 15.
Lady
Makes
Macbeth,
them
no?
for the championship. And our Uratex Matibay best player of the game is Hazel Yam. Great effort there performance showed by Hazel Yam with 7 points for this game, leading her team to the finals. So, Titans would have to wait between My Philippines and Euratech's Dream. As we can see Hazel Yam saying hi.